Welcome to teachmeios.com, where you'll find tips, tricks, apps, and tutorials for your iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Today I'm going to be reviewing an app called iTranslate Voice. It's available on the App Store, and this app is really designed to help people who speak different languages communicate with one another effectively using just common conversation. And I'll show you how it works. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is iTranslate Voice. This is a screen you see at the beginning when you open the app. You can see I've got two languages selected here, English United States and Spanish Mexico. And I've chosen these languages from a huge list that iTranslate Voice has of probably most of the major languages in the world are included in this app with full speech-to-text and text-to-speech translation. So pretty good functionality there if you travel and don't speak a whole lot of languages. This app could really come in handy. Neat feature is you can actually choose the gender of the translating voice based on who's in the conversation. So the idea with this app is you use it with two different people to communicate between languages. So I'm going to be communicating between, like I said, English United States and Spanish Mexico. A couple of disclaimers before I get started with the actual translation. One is that something with AirPlay functionality causes the video program I'm using to record my screen to cut out, so if my iPhone disappears, you'll know why. This doesn't seem like there's anything I can do about that. The other thing is my Spanish is really rusty, so please bear with me and give me some grace there. So here goes. Hello, what is your name?
Hola, ¿cuál es tu nombre?
Hola, mi nombre es Miguel.
Hi, my name is Miguel.
Hi Miguel, which way is the store?
Hola Miguel, ¿qué forma es la tienda?
Está a la derecha.
It is right.
Alright, so there you can see the basic translation functionality of this app and how easy it is to translate between languages. So if you go ahead and pull down like I just did, you can see the whole conversation, and that could also be very helpful for communicating with someone else. If you tap and hold on one of the chat bubbles, there's a number of different options it pulls up. Copy, you can send a text message, so you can even use this app to translate a text that you're going to send. You can mail, you can tweet, Facebook, and then you can also tap this again and
Hola Miguel, ¿qué forma es la tienda?
it'll speak the statement or question again. So that's the basic translation functionality. To get rid of the conversation and start over with someone else, you can go ahead and pull down, and it's got a neat little trash can animation there, and there it goes. All right, so I'll just try a couple more languages here. I've got German selected, so I'll go ahead and translate just one way into German from English United States, just so you can see what that's like. Hello, what is your name?
Hallo, wie heißt du?
So there you go. And let's try a random one here, maybe something like Japanese. Hello, what is your name?
こんにちは。あなたの名前は何ですか?
Alright, so there you go. So as you can see, this app would be pretty useful around the world if you travel. Alright, now another really useful feature that iTranslate Voice has is called AirTranslate, and you can see that button at the bottom middle of your screen there. AirTranslate is a feature that allows you to translate phrases between two different iOS devices that have the app installed. So that's what I'll show you how to do next. Alright, so I've got my iPhone and my iPad connected to each other using Bluetooth via iTranslate Voice's AirTranslate feature. And so now let's try to translate again between English United States and Spanish Mexico, this time between devices. So here goes. Hello, what is your name?
Hola, ¿cuál es tu nombre?
Mi nombre es Miguel.
My name is Michael.
Hello, Michael. What is your favorite color?
Hola Michael, ¿cuál es su color favorito?
Mi color favorito es azul.
My favorite color is blue.
Alright, so there you go. That is iTranslate Voice's AirTranslate feature, and can be really useful if you meet someone who has this app. You can use it to translate actually between devices into your own language. Alright, and now I'd like to show you the settings panel in iTranslate Voice. Just pull that up and tap on the gear. And there's a number of different options in here. Follow the team, you can get more information on the app, gift it, rate it, share it, and also access an advanced settings panel with lots of different useful features. You can turn on and off. Some of my favorites, shake to speak. You can actually shake your device to re-speak what was said. Turn off push notifications, and lots of different useful settings in the settings panel there. So this has been a review of iTranslate Voice, possibly the best translation app on the App Store. And you're on teachmeios.com.